this video, we're exploring the Bitcoin name system, also known as BNS, and how you can claim your own .BTC name. The Bitcoin name system, similar to ENS or the Ethereum naming service, is a decentralized on-chain naming protocol built on stacks that links human-readable names to wallet addresses. These names are unique, memorable, fully owned by you, and secured via the Stacks blockchain and settled on the Bitcoin layer via the Stacks proof of transfer consensus mechanism. It operates much like a Web2 DNS or domain name system, but without centralized control, ensuring censorship resistance and true ownership, meaning only you can update, transfer, or renew your name. Many people use BNS names to personalize their identity across crypto apps and social platforms. You'll often see them in X handles like Munib.btc, Rubes.btc, or peacelovemusic.btc. They signal someone's connection to Bitcoin, Stacks, and the Web3 ecosystem, but BNS names can also be used to simplify payments, receive assets, log into apps, or display profile data and NFTs. .BTC is definitely the most popular namespace, but others do exist as well, like .app, .podcast, or .id. If you want to claim your own .BTC name, head over to btc.us, connect your Xverse or Lether wallet, use the search bar to check if your desired name is available. For this example, I'll use your name on bitcoin.btc. The price is typically to Stacks, to STX, and your name will be valid for 5 years before needing renewal. Once you've confirmed the name, simply sign the transaction and complete registration. And after the transaction is confirmed, your .BTC name is officially yours. If you want additional namespace options or more advanced tooling, check out bns.one and bnsv2.com. These sites allow you to register names across multiple namespaces, manage them, transfer ownership, and renew as needed. For example, you could also register your name on bitcoin.id or your name on bitcoin.app. And just to show you one simple use case here, if someone wants to send you crypto or you want to send them crypto, all you or they need is the .BTC name. So Xverse, for example, will automatically recognize and route it to the corresponding Stacks address, making transfers super easy. You can also explore Stacks wallet activity by typing in any .BTC or BNS name into the Blockchain Explorer. Just head to explorer.hero.so, enter the name you're curious about, and you'll see the linked wallet address, recent transactions, and any NFTs or tokens it holds. Now that you know how to claim and look up a BNS name, in the next video, we'll dive into decentralized token swaps with BitFlow.